friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking chicken tenders on a frying pan. So I'll be making them breaded. So for the ingredients, I'm using chicken tenders, egg, breadcrumbs, salt and pepper for the seasonings, and vegetable oil for cooking. So first I'm going to add some oil to the frying pan. So just use as much oil as you like. And I'm going to turn on the heat on high, and while the pan is heating, I'm going to coat chicken tenders in breadcrumbs and egg. So let's crack the egg in the bowl. And I'm going to whisk the egg. And I'm also going to add breadcrumbs to the other bowl, or you can use a plate. And now let's coat chicken tenders with egg and breadcrumbs. So I'm going to dip each chicken tender in egg on all sides and breadcrumbs. And add to the frying pan. So now the chicken is in the frying pan, and it's in a single layer. And now I'm going to sprinkle on the seasonings. Sprinkle the salt and pepper. So since I was only able to season one side, when I flip them over, I will season the other side as well. So now the pan is heated through, and you hear the oil sizzling. So let's reduce the heat to medium high. And as the chicken cooks, just keep an eye on it. If it starts browning too quickly, you can always turn the heat down to medium. All stoves cook differently, so just make sure it doesn't burn. And we're going to cook it for several minutes on one side. And when it's halfway cooked, we'll flip it over and finish cooking on the other side. So the chicken has been cooking for 5 minutes on this side, and at one point I had to reduce heat to low because I saw that the breading was getting too brown. So it's very important to keep a close eye on it. And now let's flip it. Looks so good. And now let's season this side. So cook on this side for 4 to 5 minutes. So they take about 10 minutes to cook through. So it's 5 minutes per side. Keep a close eye on them. Again, the heat level, either medium, low, or medium, just so the breading doesn't burn. And at the end, we're going to check the temperature to make sure they're 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So continue cooking on this side until they're ready. So now the chicken tenders have been cooking for 10 minutes total, 5 minutes per side, and they're ready. So before you take them off the heat, just let's make sure the temperature is at least 165. Yeah, it's over 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So now let's turn off the heat. And they're ready. So they're nicely browned on both sides. See, this side is brown and that side is brown. They look amazing. So here are perfectly cooked, crispy breaded chicken tenders. And it was so easy to cook them on a frying pan. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Let me just cut it so you can see. See, inside is perfectly cooked and they're tender. It cuts so easily. Let's try it. Delicious, perfect crispy breading with juicy tender chicken inside. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!